What's up, rail fans? Rail fan and vibes is in effect. Fonky Friday on the railroad. Here we go, folks. Check it out. All right, folks. Here we go. You're watching another episode of RFV Productions. Gates are down. And here we go, folks. It's Fonky Friday on the railroad. Getting funky once again. On a cool Friday morning. Rail fan vibes is in full effect, baby. Can you dig it? Like he's chugging along really slow. But I think I hear him growling down there, so should be any moment now. Sorry about the wait, rail fans, but it'll be like this sometimes. Okay, there it is. Yes, sir. There we go. Here comes the big dog, rail fans. Yes, sir. Northbound autorack. They look like they're, well, that's not loaded. They got the springs below. They are depressed, so we have a loaded autorack train right here, rail fans. Yes, sirree. With the Grinch horn up front. Yes, sir. It's Fonky Friday on the railroad, folks. Thanks for tuning in. Glad to have you. All right, Mike, MJ Dad 777. This autorack's for you, buddies. No, autoracks are your favorite trains. Mine would be the mix. I love mixed manifest freight trains. I love box cars. But I like all of it. I love all of it. Fonky Friday on the railroad, folks. Real Fan and Vibes on YouTube. Shout out to you once again, Mike. I know the autoracks are your favorite cars. You love these autoracks. This is all for you, my brother. Fonky Friday on the railroad's got you covered. And today we have Rail Fan Yvonne over here getting her shots in. familiar with Terrible 63? If you're not familiar with him, look him up. You check him out on YouTube. Terrible 63 is not with us right now, Ivan. But we're gonna hold it down for him today. So on Fonky Friday on the railroad, and here comes the end of our northbound loaded autorack train. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. This has been another RFV production, folks. Peace out.